Hatha Yoga and tips. A gentle path to balance and harmony. Hatha Yoga, one of the most widely practiced styles of yoga, is known for its focus on balancing the mind and body through physical postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayama, and meditation. Rooted in ancient Indian traditions, Hatha Yoga is often considered the foundation of modern yoga practices, offering a slower-paced and accessible approach that emphasizes mindfulness and alignment. What is Hatha Yoga? The term, Hatha, combines two Sanskrit words. 1. Ha. 1. Means sun, symbolizing active, masculine energy. 2. Da, meaning moon, representing passive, feminine energy. Hatha represents the union of opposites, aiming to harmonize these energies within the practitioner. A typical Hatha Yoga session includes 1. Asanas, postures, to strengthen and stretch the body. 2. Pranayama, breathing exercises, to control and channel energy. 3. Meditation, to calm the mind and enhance focus. Due to its gentle pace and emphasis on mindfulness, Hatha Yoga is suitable for all fitness levels. It is an excellent entry point for those new to yoga and a grounding practice for experienced yogis. Tips for practicing Hatha Yoga. 1. Set the right intentions. 1. Focus on balance. Approach your practice to harmonize body and mind. 2. Embrace patience. Hatha Yoga is about progress, not perfection. 2. Allow your practice to unfold naturally. 2. Find a comfortable space. 1. Create a calm environment. Practice in a quiet, distraction-free area. 2. Use props. Blocks, straps, and bolsters can support proper alignment and enhance comfort. 3. Warm up properly. 1. Prepare your body. Begin with gentle stretches or a short meditation to transition into your practice. 2. Start with easy poses. Gradually work to more challenging asanas as your body warms up. 4. Prioritize breath awareness. 1. Link breath to movement. Inhale deeply to guide your transitions between poses. 2. Practice pranayama. Techniques like alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana, can help calm your mind. 5. Focus on alignment. 1. Listen to your body. Avoid forcing yourself into poses. 1. Proper alignment reduces the risk of injury and maximizes benefits. 2. Seek guidance. If unsure about a posture, consult a teacher or use online tutorials for clarification. Critical benefits of Hatha Yoga. 1. Improved flexibility. Regular practice increases the range of motion in muscles and joints. 2. Enhanced strength. Many asanas build core, leg, and upper body strength. 3. Better posture. Focus on alignment, which helps correct postural imbalances. 4. Stress reduction. The combination of movement and breathing calms the nervous system. 5. Increased mindfulness. Meditation and pranayama foster a greater sense of presence. Why choose Hatha Yoga? Hatha Yoga is a versatile practice that caters to diverse needs and fitness levels. It's particularly beneficial for 1. Beginners. The slower pace and focus on alignment provide a solid foundation. 2. Stress relief. Gentle movements and mindful breathing reduce tension. 3. Holistic health. It improves physical strength, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Final thoughts. Hatha Yoga offers a gateway to physical, mental, and spiritual harmony. Its emphasis on balance, alignment, and mindfulness makes it an ideal practice for those seeking a holistic approach to wellness. By following these tips and embracing the essence of Hatha Yoga, you can create a practice that nurtures your body, mind, and soul.